Hello everyone, very quick introduction to some new functionality within PATMA that we are once again very excited to bring you, and it involves planning. So I'm going to start there in planning. So assuming you're logged into Prospector, if you click on planning and we put a postcode in. Now previously you could just look at this list. Now we have a little show as map button. And that does exactly what it says on the tin. Now, immediately as soon as you get this, you can see that my cursor is highlighting certain areas, but you can also see a number of little circles there with numbers in them. Now, if we zoom in, they'll start breaking out. So the little icon here just shows me that's where my postcode is. And within each of these circles, what I'm seeing is the number of applications. And I can actually click on those circles, and every time I do, they're going to break out to show me what's happened, and we can see that there is a hell of a lot that has happened in this area. So if I just drill down right next to my target area, I can show that I can click on very specific. So this is a few doors down from the property where my property is, and I can see that the planning was decided, use of premises, etc., etc. And I can also click on the link there within PATMA, and that will take me to the specific planning detail. So that's all very informative. Why is that useful? Well, it just makes it much easier when I'm looking at potential properties to start thinking about what I may or may not want to do with my target property. And just as another quick view to show you, if you've already got a shortlist or you're searching, I've just gone into shortlist. This is a potential property. Hopefully you'll remember from this tab dashboard. So this is the property dashboard. We've also got a planning tab here. I can click on that and then I get exactly the same options there. So I can now just click on show on map, and I've got the same map there, which will break out. And again, I could also pick that as a list should I wish. Hopefully that will bring a lot of value to you. We hope it does. We certainly thought it would bring value to us, so we hope it does to you. As always, if you've got any feedback for us or any questions, please reach out to us on the contact page.